Hello, in today's segment of Tuesday Siege, Uriah Israel will be sharing some valuable insights on not only farming almanacs, but also seed catalogs. So please stay tuned.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Uriah Israel here, and just wanted to talk about, I think as a grower, you watch a lot of videos to get information about agriculture, but one thing I find is that you have a pretty significant library, right? You're buying all kind of books and everything to, understand more about agriculture, how to plant things, how to grow things, how to store things. And so I just wanted to talk about almanacs. And so an almanac is a yearly calendar of days, weeks, and months with astronomical data, that is weather patterns, etc., rising of the moon, rising of the sun. It looks at the changes of the moon, the eclipses, and all of that. It also talks about the hours of the full tide, which is affected by the moon, of course. Some of my favorite almanacs, well, I shouldn't say favorite. Well, actually, yeah, I will say favorite because these are published like all over the United States. If you're in your local supermarket waiting, you'll find these guys. And these are some of my favorite ones. And also, almanacs are dear to black people because of Benjamin Banneker. Benjamin Banneker published one of the first almanacs in his country in 1792. It was used in all basically the mid-Atlantic states, and there's a lot of information about him. He was a brilliant astronomer and mathematician, and he began to predict through mathematics the different eclipses that were happening in that time. And so almanacs are dear to people, and if you are a grower, this is something you should definitely look into buying when you get a chance. They cost about, well, this one right here was $8.99 or $9. It's a wealth of information. The other thing I want to mention is I got this one for free. It was in my local insurance office. They had them there, and I always grab them, man, because it's a wealth of information. One other thing I want to mention too, talking about books and not just almanacs, is your seed catalogs. When you're looking for seed catalogs, looking for information about what to plant and when to plant, and different varieties as you plant your garden, these are free. You can go online and you can request a free catalog, and they send them to you. I have all kinds of catalogs here. Not necessarily endorsing any particular one, but these guys, they will send you a catalog, and they'll give you really cool descriptions on how to and when to plant and what kind of soil and location is best for them. So yeah, these are free. I don't pay for any of these. The only thing I probably paid for that whole group was that one almanac that cost $9. And once again, the more information you have, the better you are equipped, because knowledge is power, right? So get it while you can. Hey, this is Uriah Israel. You have a good afternoon.